How to fix audio on Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually fix audio on Facebook Messenger. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, fixing the audio on Messenger basically means that let's say you're not being able to place any type of audio calls, or let's say that you're not being able to load video calls, or you're not being able to hear the audio and so on. Well, in that case, the process to fix it is also really simple. It means that the Messenger app could be lacking some of the few permissions. In order to fix that, we will just go ahead and select settings, and once we select settings, just go ahead and then look for the option called apps, and as you find apps, just go ahead and look for the option called Messenger. So simply look for the app called Messenger and then tap on it. Once you find Messenger, select over it, and first of all what we will do is we will go to storage, and you want to simply clear all of the cached files of the Messenger app. So just go ahead and tap on the clear cache button, and after that you want to come back. Once you come back, what you have to do is go to the permissions tab, and as you go to permissions tab over here at the very top of the screen, in order to fix audio, first of all, make sure to tap on microphone and make sure to allow the permission. Because if your Messenger app is lacking when it is set to don't allow, it will not be able to load audio calls and so on. So just make sure that it is set to allow while using the app. If this doesn't help, then you can also just come back and then go to camera, and then you can also set it to allow. Just for the tutorial purpose, I would just recommend you to turn on all the permissions such as phone access. Just allow the Messenger app to access your phone, your contacts, your files and media, which is also very important. Now, most likely this will fix the issue. If it doesn't, then the other reason could be because due to lack of updates. So open up your device's respective app store. In the search box, type in Messenger, and if there is an update button next to the Messenger app, I would just recommend you to update the Messenger app to the latest version. What updating does is that it is going to fix most of the issues and bugs which you were facing on the previous versions of the Messenger application. And hopefully one of these solutions may have definitely solved the problem. If it did help solve a problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.